I'm discussing standing waves, harmonics and overtones. Normally I would have started with questions. क्वेश्चन से शुरुआत करनी थी मुझे, लेकिन बहुत सारे बच्चों ने कहा पहले आप इस टॉपिक का बैकग्राउंड या बेसिक्स समझा दीजिए, तभी क्वेश्चंस लीजिए. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम ट्राइंग टू गिव यू बेसिक बैकग्राउंड, then you will find these questions very easy. In open pipe, at one end is antinode, another end is antinode, in between there is node. Between antinode and node, it is lambda by 4 plus lambda by 4, lambda by 2 equal to L. Lambda is equal to 2L. F naught, यानी कि fundamental frequency is equal to V divided by 2L. The second case, lambda by 4 times lambda by 4 is equal to L. Lambda is equal to L. So F1, that is first overtone, is F1 is equal to B by L, 2F0. This is also known as second harmonic. याद रखिएगा हार्मोनिक का मतलब कितने टाइम्स. जैसे फंडामेंटल है F0, फर्स्ट हार्मोनिक विल बी twice of fundamental frequency. Third harmonic means third of fundamental frequency. Fourth harmonic means fourth of fundamental frequency. In case of open pipe, all the harmonics are present. That is fundamental, double, दुगनी उसकी 3 गुना 4 गुना. Now one term जो आपको कंफ्यूज कर सकती है वो है ओवरटोन्स. फंडामेंटल को छोड़ के जो नेक्स्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी होती है, दैट इज फर्स्ट. फंडामेंटल को छोड़ के जो नेक्स्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी है, फर्स्ट ओवरटोन इज 2F0, सेकंड ओवरटोन इज 3F0, थर्ड ओवरटोन इज 4F0 and so on. Closed pipe के केस में open end is antinode and closed end is node, and distance between antinode and node is lambda by 4. Lambda by 4 is equal to L. Lambda is equal to 4L. F0, fundamental frequency, is equal to V divided by 4L. Now in next case, this is antinode, this is node, this is antinode, this is node. So 1, 2, 3, 3 lambda by 4 is equal to L. Lambda is equal to 4L by 3. F1 is equal to 3V divided by 4L, 3F0. Now be careful here. फंडामेंटल के बाद आपको सेकंड हार्मोनिक नहीं मिलेगा, डायरेक्ट थर्ड हार्मोनिक. थर्ड हार्मोनिक मींस कितने टाइम्स, 3 गुना थर्ड हार्मोनिक मिलेगा. तो फर्स्ट फंडामेंटल 3F0, 5F0, 7F0, 2F0, 4F0 are absent. Only odd harmonics are present in case of closed pipe. That is, third harmonic will be first overtone in this case, fifth harmonic will be second overtone, seventh harmonic will be third overtone in this case. Remember students, याद रखिएगा जो वायर है स्ट्रेच्ड के केस भी यही केस है, लेकिन यहाँ कॉर्नर पर आपको एंटीनोड मिलते हैं, यहाँ कॉर्नर पर आपको नोड मिलते हैं, बीच में एंटीनोड मिलेगा. ऑल द केसेस आर सेम. क्लोज पाइप का केस जो है वो ये वाला केस है, रॉड क्लैम्प्ड एट वन एंड लाइक दिस. Let's start the question now. I've given you background of harmonics and overtones. In this question, question number 1, we have been given a rod on which M is hanging at a distance x, Vp is x, and you are given frequency FAB, that is frequency of oscillation through AB is twice of frequency CD. Now we know frequency is proportional to under root of T, where T is tension. Therefore, under root TAB, tension in AB, is equal to twice under root CD. TAB is equal to 4 times CD. Taking talks about point P, x into this distance into this force, x into TAB is equal to L minus x into TCD. Putting the value from this, 4x is equal to L minus x, 5x is equal to L, x is equal to L by 5. This is the answer. आंसर नंबर 2 डिस्कस करते हैं. इसमें एक पाइप दे रखा है जो क्लोज है, इसकी लेंथ 0.8 मीटर है. पाइप फंडामेंटल फ्रीक्वेंसी में ऑसिलेट कर रहा है. एक वायर दे रखी है जिसकी लेंथ 0.5 मीटर है, 50 सेंटीमीटर है. but it is oscillating in second harmonic. Second harmonic means two loops are being formed. Therefore, first, because values are given here, let me find out for closed pipe lambda by 4, distance between antinode and node is equal to L, lambda is equal to 3.2 meter, frequency is equal to V, V is given to you 320 by lambda equal to 100 hertz. Now let us come to string. Node to node, again node, lambda by 2, lambda by 2, that is 2 lambda by 2 is equal to L, lambda is equal to L, F is equal to 1 by L, T by mu, therefore mu is equal to T divided by F square L square, which gives you 0.02 kilogram per meter. Now you have to find out the length of whole string. So M is equal to this mass per unit length into length, 0.02 into half equal to 10 grams. Here given a closed pipe, given an open pipe. Both of the cases, he has given you first overtone, frequencies are same. So first overtone for the closed pipe will be 3 lambda by 4, lambda by 4, lambda by 4, lambda by 4, lambda by 4 is the distance between antinode and node. So first overtone is 3 lambda by 4 is equal to LC. In this case, first overtone will be lambda by 4, lambda by 4, lambda by 4, 4 times. 4 lambda by 4 is equal to LO. Now, lambdas, in this case, you can write it as closed, you can write it as open. So therefore, according to question, VC divided by your lambda C, which is equal to 4 LC by 3, VO divided by lambda O. Lambda O is L0. Therefore, L0 is equal to 4 by 3 VO divided by VC into LC. Now, velocity is directly proportional to 1 by rho, because velocity is equal to gamma rho by P. Therefore, gamma is same, P is same, therefore 4 by 3 rho 1 by rho 2 LC. This is the answer. Answer number 4. This is vibration of strings, sonometer wire, which is under tension T by suspending some mass M here. The fundamental frequency is, because this is node, node to node, lambda by 2 is equal to L, F is equal to velocity divided by lambda. Lambda is 2L, T by mu. 1 upon 2L, T pi r square rho. Now this is mass per unit length. Take 1 meter wire, R is the radius, pi r square is the area, into length, 1 meter is the length, into rho is the density. This will give you mu. So if you put it pi r square rho, this brings you, because T is same, given T is same, therefore 1 upon Lr. Frequency is proportional to 1 upon Lr. F1 is equal to L1 by R1, F2, L2, R2. Therefore, you are given L and 2L, 2R and R. L and 2L cut 1 is to 1. The answer is 1. Ratio of frequencies is same. ये फॉर्मूला डायरेक्ट आ जाता है. अगर टेंशन भी दे रखी तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. F1 by F2 जो है आपका इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल आ जाता है. तो तीनों कंसेप्ट से आपका आंसर इमीडिएटली 1 आ जाएगा. Answer number 5. There is a pipe of length L. Its fundamental frequency in open at both ends, lambda by 2. This is lambda by 4 because antinode to node to antinode. Lambda by 4 to lambda by 4. Lambda by 2 is equal to L. Therefore, F0 is equal to V divided by 2L. Now, that same pipe is closed now. Length will remain the same. Length remain the same. Therefore, but in case of closed pipe, third harmonic in case of closed pipe. Third harmonic means 3 times the fundamental frequency. Remember this. Closed pipe का fundamental frequency ये होता है. और इसी का अगर थर्ड हार्मोनिक कहेंगे तो 3 टाइम्स हो जाएगा. 3 lambda by 4 C. C means closed pipe के लिए is equal to L. Lambda C is equal to 4L by 3. Now, according to question, 3V by 4L, that is third harmonic of closed one minus fundamental frequency of the open pipe of same length is equal to 100. अब आपको यहाँ लगेगा कि अब V और L तो नहीं निकलेगा, कोई बात नहीं, डोंट वरी. When you solve, you will get 3V minus 2V. LCM लेकर is equal to 100. V by 4L is equal to 100. But आपको क्या निकालना है? Fundamental frequency of open pipe. Therefore, V by 2L is equal to 200. आपको V और L की वैल्यू अलग से निकालने की जरूरत नहीं है. In this case, you have been given a closed pipe of length LC and it is in first harmonic. First harmonic means fundamental frequency. Therefore, lambda C by 4 is equal to LC, lambda C is equal to 4 LC. And an open pipe of length L0 in its third harmonic or second overtone or second harmonic. Third harmonic means 3 times the fundamental frequency. So even if you can't make them, it is direct. Lambda C by 4 is equal to LC. Lambda by 2 is equal to LO. This is fundamental. Make it 3 times. Lambda will be reduced. Directly you can do it. No problem if you can't make them. बनाने से थोड़ा जल्दी हो जाएगा, but otherwise अगर नहीं भी आ रहा तो भी ऐसे चल जाएगा. V by 4 LC, that is lambda of this, is equal to 3V by 2 LO. You are given that they are resonating. Resonance में है. They are in resonance means their frequencies are same. Velocity by lambda. So 2 by 12 is equal to LC by L0. अब स्टूडेंट्स ये जरूर ध्यान रखिएगा कि कई बच्चे इस बात को उल्टा कर लेते हैं. आप सोचते हैं कि इसको LO by L0. प्लीज रिमेंबर इट, क्वेश्चन की सीक्वेंस में जो दिया हुआ है, अगर LC पहले दिया है तो LC पहले लिख के फिर LO लिखना है, तो 1/6 आंसर आ जाएगा. ट्रिकी क्वेश्चन, थोड़ा सा ध्यान दीजिएगा. एक स्ट्रिंग है जिसकी लेंथ 3 मीटर है, वेलोसिटी 100 मीटर पर सेकेंड दी है. अगर ये फंडामेंटल मोड में ऑसिलेट कर रहा है तो लैम्डा बाय 2 इज इक्वल टू L हो जाएगा, लैम्डा इज इक्वल टू 2L हो जाएगा, इज इक्वल टू 6 मीटर हो जाएगा. बट इन दिस क्वेश्चन इट इज नॉट गिवन in which mode it is oscillating. So I'll write n lambda by 2 is equal to 3, n lambda is equal to 6, lambda is equal to 6 by n, f is equal to 100n by 6. Now ये ध्यान देने की बात है, क्योंकि कोने पर x is equal to 0 पर एक नोड दिया है, इसलिए this part has to be sine function, and this can be, because this is vibrating part, it can be sine or cos. दूसरी बात ध्यान रखने की है, 2 pi n x by 6 cos 2 pi by lambda you are writing here, cos 2 pi into f into t. So if you write n equal to 1, fundamental mode, the answer will be a sin pi by 3 x cos, writing 100 by 3. ये एक आंसर हो सकता है. अगर आप n को 2 रखेंगे तो दूसरा आंसर आएगा, 3 रखेंगे तो अलग आंसर आएगा. तो इस पार्ट में मोर देन 1 आंसर है, आप चेक कर लीजिए और उसको टिक कर दीजिएगा. ये थोड़ा सा एडवांस का स्किल है, बट नो प्रॉब्लम, आसान है. पहली बात कहाँ ध्यान रखनी है आपने, साइन kx, k इज 2 pi by lambda, डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज, 2 pi by lambda, दैट इज 2 pi n x एंड cos दिस. ध्यान रखिएगा, इसमें अलग अलग आंसर आ सकते हैं. तो हो सकता है आपको फंडामेंटल में दिया हो सकता है आपको फर्स्ट में पता करना हो, तो n की वैल्यू डालते जाइएगा. उसी तरह फर्स्ट मोड, फंडामेंटल मोड, इस तरह से आंसर आपके आ जाएंगे. आई होप आपको पसंद आए. अगर आपको पसंद आए तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, और बच्चों को बताइए. और कोई वीकनेस है तो गेट बैक टू मी, मैं इसको इम्प्रूव कर दूंगा. थैंक यू.